Goodbye to drooping eyelids in a very short time, with this simple home trick. The passage of time is something that no one escapes, and the first that makes us notice the changes that are taking place in our appearance is the mirror. So when we begin to notice lack of luster on our face or those lines marked around the eyes, is when we know that it's time to do something. The tissues of the muscles of that area of the face in particular become weak, and that is when the marks and flaccidity of the skin become evident. In addition, those bags under the eyes, the result of poor rest and dark shadows in the eyelids, which are usually hereditary, make our appearance even more old. But while we wait for the magic formula of the source of eternal youth to appear, we suggest a home remedy that will work wonders on your skin. Ingredients: 1. An egg white. 2. A cotton swab. How to use it? 1. First of all, thoroughly clean the area of makeup debris. Cask an egg and separate the white from the yolk, since we will only use the white. 2. Dip the hyssop in the egg white, close one eye and apply on the eyelid and area of dark circles. Repeat the same procedure with the other eye. 3. Allow to dry completely or accelerate the process with the aid of hairdryer or fan. 4. Once it has dried, leave it for 2 minutes and then remove by washing with warm water. 5. You can use the same procedure on the rest of the face. 6. Use this home treatment once a week to keep your skin firm and smooth.